Pot Filler Kitchen Faucet. Lever handle. Wall mount. 1/2 inch IPS connection. Guaranteed not to tarnish, corrode or flake off. Aerated stream. Flow levers operate counterclockwise through a 180-degree arc with off at 6 o'clock and maximum flow at the 12 o'clock position. Pot filler extends from 10 inches to 24 inches. Construction. Metal construction. Specifications. Complies with California Proposition 65 and with the Federal Safe Water Drinking Act. Dimensions. Dimensions 8.75 inches height by 10 inches to 24 inches depth. Collection. Showhouse by Moen Pot Filler Collection. Warranty. Lifetime limited warranty against leaks, drips, and finish defects to the original consumer purchaser. 5-year warranty if used in a commercial installation. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatile design. The chrome finish is highly reflective for a mirror-like look that works with any decorating style. Number 2. Practical design. Wall mount installation frees up extra space on the countertop. Number 3. Long reach. Dual joints allow for maximum reach up to 24 to 3/8 of an inch from the wall. Number 4. Water where you need it. Convenient pot filler kitchen faucet offers water access directly over your cooktop. Number 5. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with Moen kitchen faucets. Number 6. Built to last. Backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. Number 7. Dedicated product development and design. For over 80 years, Moen has been dedicated to designing products that you can rely on for a lifetime. Complete your entire home with a vast collection of products you can trust, from kitchen and bathroom faucets to bath accessories and smart home technology. Number 8. Personalize your look with a variety of finishes. Moen offers a wide range of finishes to choose from: rich, antiqued bronzes, classic chrome, subtle, warm nickels, and more bold, modern finishes, like black and gold. Make a statement in any room with the perfect finishing piece thanks to Moen's breadth of high quality and durable finishes. Number 9. Innovations to power your most meaningful moments. At Moen, the customer is at the center of our design process. The needs and insights of our customers drive the development of delightful, innovative technologies that help make everyday tasks just a little bit easier, such as motion sensing technology in the kitchen, and temperature-controlled showers started from an app. Number 10. Moen Kitchen Solutions. Prepping for family dinners. Bathing the baby. Watering the plants. It should come as no surprise that you spend more active time in the kitchen than in any other room in the house. And from finishes to innovations to installation, there are plenty of reasons why Moen is the right choice for your kitchen. From faucets and sinks to filtration systems and garbage disposals, Moen has endless products to fit seamlessly into your kitchen. And with meaningful innovations like boosted spray power with Power Boost or hands-free convenience with Motion Sense, you'll love how Moen products bring not only endless style opportunities but also in-demand functionality. Number 11. Moen Smart Home Technology. At Moen, we put the customer at the center of everything, including our design process. Their needs and insights drive the development of delightful, innovative products and technology that help to make everyday tasks just a little bit easier. With meaningful innovations like water throughout your home monitored and controlled with an app or perfectly warm and steamy showers you can start with your voice, you'll love how Moen products bring not just in-demand functionality, but also the latest in tech trends. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.